Hello teachers, in this video I'm gonna show you how I create this website using Google Sites. First of all, I create this website to be able to have communication with my students and families. Here I have some resources available for them and information about myself to get to know me a little. Here I added a picture image from my Bitmoji and also a text message to them explaining what this website is for, and my contact information in which parents will be able to contact me. At the bottom, I added some resources that we're going to use on a daily basis. So the first step is to go visit Google search and then type Google Sites. You must need to log in, or if you don't have any account, you must create an account. Then you will be able to select a template from the gallery. You can use a blank template, the class template, or any one you want. Here I'm going to select the class template. Once you open it, you will be able to edit, delete, or modify any sections. Here I'm going to change my title and type welcome preschool. And at the bottom, I'm going to center my text as adding FCC teacher Miss Alina. That is family childcare teacher. I'm going to change the font as a semi font and also the size. I'm going to do it 18. Then you will be able to resize your title as using the arrows. Do it a little bit more bigger or smaller. For this section, the background image, you can change your background image by selecting change image. You can upload it or select from the gallery or URL, Google search, your albums, and Google Drive as well. In this case, I'm going to select from Google search and type preschool backgrounds. Once you see the images, you can select one of them. Here I'm going to select this one, and you can continue to editing your website. In this case, I'm not going to use this, just one. Here you can upload an image or select image also. Here I'm going to select from my documents my welcome image that I got from Bitmoji. Here you can create your avatar and get your images from bitmoji.com. As you register, you will be able to select any images, and it's more easy to get the Bitmoji website and you bookmark and select whatever your image you want to use. And here I'm going to delete these sections. For this part, I'm going to add a text explaining what this website is for. This website will provide information from parents and students. Also, you can use font as highlight your text and change size too. Here, I'm going to use the about me information by selecting this picture. You can edit options. You have edit options. As click on the three dots. You can replace an image and upload or select image. In this case, I'm gonna add one of my pictures of myself and use arrow to do a little bit more longer. Also, you can crop or uncrop the images that you want to use. And in this part, I'm going to delete this section and paste my information because it's a little bit more longer, and mention, hello parents and students, I'm Miss Alina Figueroa and I will be teaching FCC Family Childcare in where I'm glad to work this school year with providers Mrs. Torres and Mrs. Nava in their childcare. I'm so excited to work this school year with your family. This is my contact information and my voice message. Here I'm gonna delete this section and this too. From the resource section, I'm gonna use the title. I'm gonna delete this part and type below. You will find links that can support students and parents by using resources easily accessible. Here you will be able to use the arrows to resize and change also the font. There you go. And for this section, I wanted to show you how you can select any links that you will be using for your students and parents. Here I'm going to just have some space between. So here in the student sites, I'm going to add Google Classroom, Zoom meeting. Then we're going to, we are using for virtual that application. And for parents, I'm going to add the teaching strategies, family communication. Here in this website, we use it for input observations and do assessment as well. But also we have the sections from families so they can help us and see some information about their children. Here, I'm gonna add also virtual library. I'm going to delete this part. For school forms, I'm gonna leave it like that, that title, but we're using also Ready Rosie application. This app we're using for parents to help us as collaborate with teachers as doing activities with their children at home. So here I'm gonna add Marco Polo Learning that actually works as Ready Rosie. And I think it's pretty much. Here you can click on the text that you can want to be linked to a website. For example, for Google Classroom, you must need to copy this part and go to the insert link. When you go to the insert link, you will be able to paste the text Google Classroom, and on the Google Classroom website, you will go to your site, and in this case I'm gonna select my slides. That is most likely like a PowerPoint presentation. It is more easy for me work with parents. So here you are gonna copy the link for the presentation and paste in the link area and click on apply. Here is a double size, but as you see, you can see this underline the Google Classroom area. So once you click on, you can see if the website is available in this link. So as you click on it, you will be able to go and visit the website. So you can do the rest, or I will do the rest later. And the next step is how to go and create pages from this website. So in this case, you go to visit website and go to your list, and here you will be able to change your title as math activities. Also, you have an options to make a home page, duplicate page, add a sub page, but in this case, just I'm going to add literacy activities, in which in this part you will be able to change title, add or delete any sections, create your calendars, upload videos, activities or images from your students and families. And the last thing is how to publish your website. Here you will be able to go to publish, click on it, and create a website. Here I'm going to add Miss Alina PK. So once you select one, you will be in the link and get them published, and that's it. It's more, you can publish site link as sites.google.com/view/Miss Alina PK/home. So you can copy the link or leave it like that. So that's it. If you have any questions, you will free to contact me. Thank you.